Well, hey everybody, it is Wes McDonald here for today's AI FYI. And today what we're going to talk about very briefly is the ability to use browser plugins within ChatGPT. Looking into ChatGPT now, what I'm going to do is select the plugin feature here. As you can see, I have Browser Pilot selected. That is not the only one. If I go to the plugin store, you can actually just type in browser, and it'll give you some options for different options. So browser op, browser pilot, a browser, responsive, and web requests. What's important about this is it allows us to keep information up to date, and we can actually search websites to get more information. Can you please browse the MPSA webpage at www.yourmpsa.org and give me a summary. So what this does is it goes through multiple websites if you don't actually direct it towards the website. But in this case, we actually did give it the MPSA website. It's looked at it, and now ChatGPT is actually going to give us a response, a summary on this web page. So an extremely useful function. So make sure you start using that today. And if you have any other further questions about AI, I'm certainly at your service. You can message me right here on LinkedIn, and I would be happy to help you, show you some of the things that we can do for your business to make sure that you are more AI aware. So until our next AI FYI, keep learning.